Okay, so right now you got hints. Eventually you won't have any hints. But one of our techniques will be to change everything to sine and cosine. So that's what I'm going to do, right? The cotangent. Remember, I always remember the tangent. The tangent is sine over cosine, right? That's the one I remember. So I know the cotangent is just the reciprocal of that. So that's cosine, and I'll leave the negative in here for now. We could have dealt with that right away. But again, I just like working with my sine and cosine functions as opposed to my cosecant secant functions. Right? So I'll do that first. Get rid of the hint. And I get, so cosecant's 1 over sine. Right? So 1 over sine theta. Now I keep saying 1 over sine. I should not be saying that. I should be saying the cosecant of negative theta is 1 over the sine of negative theta. So don't get in the habit of doing this. I know I say this a lot. I shouldn't be. Right? That doesn't make any sense. Right? The sine needs an argument. It needs an input. So you have to have something here. Right? So don't just write sine by itself. Right? That doesn't make any sense. It's like writing ln by itself. Right? Or it's like writing, instead of writing x squared, it's like writing that. Right? Doesn't make any sense. Needs an argument, needs an input. Okay, good. So here I am. Next thing I'll do, if I have a complex fraction, you get rid of my complex fraction. Right? And when I divide by a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So it's the numerator times the reciprocal of 1 over sine negative theta, which is sine negative theta over 1. And then this happens, which is good, right? Which I'm asked to simplify. So that's a big simplification step. And then I'm left with this. Okay, and even though the directions don't state, Sarah, what did you say? Negative cosine theta?
Yeah.
You're close. Very close. What's the answer? What's cosine negative theta? Sam?
Cosine theta.
Cosine theta, right? Even function. Sarah, you applied the odd property. Sine of negative theta is negative sine theta, but because cosine's even, the cosine of a negative angle is the same thing as cosine of the positive. Okay, makes sense?